Hi everybody, say hi.
Hi!
So there is my friends and we are here right now and Pagoriran, Ireland. And hi Justine. Justine, how? Wait lang. We are friends
Since when?
since senior high,
Since senior
high school,
Oh, but when we were in
and then it's been a year, it's been a month that we not seen each other. Yes, we see each other, but not like this a catch up. So Justine here is Justine.
yeah?
Can you say Justine that we met again here in
You know what?
Pagorian Island?
Well, you know what? If you're going to ask me about that
Bade,
question,
yan.
you know what? Zoe knows me very well because every time that I answered questions from other people, I always
sige,
answered
tama ka
like
muna. Juliana,
Yes.
how you can say that we are here right now, today? Tawa ka lang. Colleen, what can you say about
Hindi yung
this, our meet up, our catch up today?
Today, I really love it because I had time with them.
Yes?
That's all.
Okay, sige, magsabi ka.